Okay, so I'm about to show you our latest, newest project. It's a 40-foot reefer container. So it's a refrigerator container that we cut in half. And as you can see here, it's got two windows on the outside. This is going to be where the sliding glass doors are. As you come in, you can see the tile floor. That's the door that goes to the kitchen. The kitchen is an outside kitchen. Here you can see the small living room, perfect size for a couple. The bedroom area. Little desk. And going into the bathroom. In the bathroom, we have the sink, faucet, the counter, the toilet, and this glass wall. The glass wall is kind of hard to see, but I'm sure you can see it. Shower head, window in the shower. Very, very nice. Very incredibly affordable. We cut the two middle spots out there, and that's going to be where the final door is. Perfect. Very nice. So for more information, contact us at containerhomes.net.